From the National Weather Service for the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Hartford, and Howard. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 8 a.m. Monday to 8 p.m. Tuesday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Timing. This is a statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams, Franklin, and York. High wind warning in effect from 8 a.m. Monday to noon Tuesday. The national wind event will take place across the warning area. Coupled with heavy rains from Sandy, the high winds will lead to significant tree damage. Residents, visitors, and businesses across the region should plan for widespread power and communication. Becoming southwest late Monday night. Timing, beginning shortly after daybreak Monday and lasting through Tuesday morning. Impacts, numerous down trees, and widespread, potentially long-duration power outages. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. If you experience a power outage, do not use generators, grills or other gasoline, propane or charcoal burning devices inside your home or garage. They produce carbon monoxide, an odorless, colorless gas that kills more than 5 o'clock Americans each year. Generators should be placed outside, away from doors, windows, and vents that could allow carbon monoxide to seep inside. Do not let your car idle inside the garage.